हाँ, तो ये लिखिए कॉन्टिन्यूटी ऑफ ए फंक्शन। कॉन्टिन्यूटी एक्चुअली नंबर 1 में लिखिए द फंक्शन fx at a, the function fx at a is 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 fx at a, number 1, is existing uh, if 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 limit x tends to a minus fx is equal to limit x tends to a plus fx. Clear? This actually limit x tends to a minus fx is known as left hand limit. Left hand limit. Clear? This is known as the left hand limit, and this is known as the right hand limit. Right hand limit. Clear? Right hand limit. Then it is existing if actually this is left hand limit and this is right hand limit. Clear? This part. Clear? Existing, it becomes existing. Now you just see number 2. Number 2 is here. Is existing but not continuous if limit x tends to a minus fx, that is equal to limit x tends to a plus fx. Clear? That is not equal to fa. Clear? Although it is existing but not continuous, because left hand limit is equal to right hand limit, but it is not equal to fa, so it is existing but not continuous. Okay. Continuous. and is continuous. Clear? Continuous, not continuous. Number three is is existing. Uh, if discontinuous discontinuous or not continuous, not continuous, discontinuous or not continuous when limit x tends to a minus fx, that is equal to, that is actually not equal to limit x tends to a plus fx. Okay? If left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit, that means limit x tends to a minus fx is not equal to limit x tends to x tends to a plus fx. That means left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. That means it is not continuous. Clear? Discontinuous or not continuous, continuous when this. Clear? And number 4 concept is if limit x tends to a minus fx is equal to limit x tends to a plus fx. Okay. Limit x tends to a minus fx. Okay. And limit x tends to a plus fx, then, and that is equal to fa. Clear? So it is existing and continuous. It is continuous. Then it is existing and continuous 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 existing and at x is equal to here. So you just see this limit x tends to a minus fx is equal to limit x to a plus fx. So this is existing, actually existing, and is existing but not continuous, and this is discontinuous, and this is existing and continuous at x is equal to. It's okay. Okay. So these are the concepts to solve the sums of continuity. Okay. You will remember. Okay. So, okay. So you will do the sum on this. Okay. Okay. Next topic. In next session, I will explain some sums based on the continuity. Okay. So fine. The session is over right now. Hello. Fine.